Teacher Vivian. Have you seen Teacher Vivian? Uh-oh, she's not here. Okay, I'm going to leave her some Easter eggs there where Peter Rabbit is. Okay? Okay, don't tell her I've been here. All right? Bye. Bye-bye. Hello. How are you today? Today we are going to... Oh, what's that? I can see Easter eggs and Peter Rabbit. Hello, Peter Rabbit, with some carrots and some Easter eggs there. This is very strange. What? Did you see an Easter bunny? Like this one? No. Where is he? There? I can't see him. Where? Where is he? There is no Easter bunnies. I can see some Easter eggs here, but I can't see... Where? Over there? Here? Over there? Here? No. No Easter bunnies. Naughty. Naughty you. Where is the Easter bunny? No Easter bunnies. Easter bunny. Easter bunny. Easter bunny. Easter bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Easter bunny's coming. Easter bunny's coming. Hop, hop, hop. No Easter bunnies. Where is he? Over there? Where? Here? Where is he? Easter bunny. Let's call him. Let's call him. Easter bunny. Oh, you're right. This is the Easter bunny you saw? Hello, Easter bunny. Come, come. Come, Easter bunny. Hi. Hello. Nice to see you. Okay, did you leave these Easter eggs for us? Oh, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye, Easter bunny. Thank you. Bye. Oh, that was really nice. I love Easter bunnies and I love Easter eggs, and of course, I love carrots. They are very nice. So today, okay, to say bye-bye to Easter holidays, I thought we can draw a picture of a bunny. Very easy peasy, okay? You need, call mommy and daddy, you need what is this? Good, it's a paper. A paper, so you need a paper. You need, what are these? Scissors. You need scissors to cut. I cut with my scissors. Cut, cut, cut. I cut with my scissors. Cut, cut, cut. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. Cut, cut, cut. So scissors, a paper. Oh, the paper has gone. Oof. And of course, you need some. What are these? Crayons. Okay, I've got a blue crayon, but have you seen blue Easter bunnies? No. Okay, so we need a pink crayon. This is very light. It's light pink, okay? Pink. Okay, so you need crayons, scissors, and paper. The paper is on the floor. Paper. Please, helper, can you give me the paper, please? Give me the paper. Please. I've got a little helper over there. Okay, thank you. Okay, paper, scissors, and crayons. Okay, I wait for you here, and then we start. Okay, I wait for you. Quickly, quickly. Bye. See you in a minute. Have you finished drawing your Easter bunny? Yes? I'm sure you made very nice pictures. Look. This is my little helper's picture. Look. Ah, is it nice? It's a girl. Yes, it's an Easter bunny girl. So, it's nice, eh? Okay, now, if you want to see more things about Easter, okay, like singing songs or maybe watching a video about an egg hunt. You know what an egg hunt is? An egg hunt is a game Okay? And you have to look for some Easter eggs that are hidden somewhere. Okay? So if you want to do more activities, okay, you have to tell mommy and daddy to watch the next video, and the next video is for daddy and mommy. Okay? So if you see a picture on the video like this one, okay, of children, that video is for you. But if you see a picture about daddies, okay, that video is for your daddy and your mommy. Okay, so now you tell mommy and daddy, okay, they've got a video for them. Yes? And you can continue watching more songs, more activities, and more videos about Easter. Okay? See you. Have a lovely Easter day.